Have you got a business that needs reviews to thrive? The gold dust, the top of the pile of reviews are video reviews, but they are really hard to collect because let's face it, most people don't want to sit there and record a video review. And when are you going to do it? In your shop? Or maybe later on? Well, this software, and this is a good video because I'm going to ask you to join in with this one. We're going to get you to do a video review of Phil Review software. This software enables you to create an email or a link that you can send out to your customers, and they can easily record a video review, and then you can post them on your social media, on your website, or even on your YouTube channel. I'm quite excited about this one. I've got lots of competitions coming up, by the way, giveaways and all sorts of stuff. So do subscribe to the channel. We have got freebies coming very, very soon, and check out the link in the description for a great deal on the product I am reviewing or demonstrating. But let's jump in right now and let's have a look at VideoPeel. I'm quite excited by this one, and I wish I had this a few years ago when I had a business that needed reviews, and video reviews would have been great. So let's start our first campaign, and this is going to be a campaign where I'm going to get, hopefully, some of you guys. If not, I'll send it to my friends. It doesn't really matter because we're just trying it out. It's going to be a feedback request, and we're going to call it Phil Reviews. Yeah, because I'm going to ask you to review Phil Review software. So here we go, and we're going to add campaign elements. So, right, this is great. So I can add a video or text or an image. So I'm going to do text for now. Click the edit button. Hi, I'm Phil. I'll get typing now. We'll pause this, obviously. Okay, so what have I typed here? I've said, hi, I'm Phil from Phil Okay, so what have I typed here? I've typed, hi, I'm Phil from Phil Review Software. I'd love you to review my channel and tell me what you think about my software reviews. Obviously, for the purpose of this demonstration of VideoPeel, I'd like you to exaggerate your views, positive or negative. So if you do this, and I send you the request because you give me your email, either give me big love in the videos, you know, Phil's software reviews have changed the way I think about software, whatever, or be just really negative about me. It's fine. And there you go. Make it fun. The best ones will appear in the final video. And then what you include, you see, with your review is a privacy policy. That's important, isn't it? So if people are sending a review in, I'm guessing that this will automatically say they agree to let you use the video, you know, on your website or on your YouTube channel. So there we go. That's it. So I'm going to save that. Right, so let's just run through everything down the right-hand side so you see how it all works. So the first thing you do is what I've just done there, and you decide if you're going to have, at the start of your presentation, an image, text, a video, or all three. But I've just gone for text for this one to keep it simple. Might do a video one later on. And then you decide what else you want in the video. So you can have another text entry if you wanted to. I tried that before, but you don't need that because that's where you're asking them to give you more text. So we're just going to go straight to adding the video collector, which is the bit where they record their review video. It's up to you. You can put additional details how to do it, but it's fairly easy to use. Don't worry about file attachment. Yeah, that's on the upgraded plan, but they could send you back a file if they wanted. And a checkbox. So I did add a checkbox to mine, and in the checkbox it says, please confirm you are happy to allow us to use this video across social media or on any website. Now listen, I'm guessing that below the privacy policy and terms and conditions cover that, but I'm going to put that in my video. Just the last things down the left then. So the file attachment is if you're on upgraded plan, you will be able to customize your thank you page on the upgraded plan, but not really. Signature required. You might get them to sign it to say, yes, you can do this, or a custom URL. But that's all it is. You don't need to worry about that for now, wherever and wherever. And how do you share that? Well, you can either download the QR code or you can copy the campaign link. And where can you put this campaign link? I'm going to be a bit dangerous here, and I'm opening myself up for some fun videos, but I'm going to put this in the comments of this video. But also, if you want me to send you an email with it, I can send you an email with it. And then you could all record videos. So once you've got that link, you paste it in like this. And this is what the customers, or this is what the people who see the link and click on the link will see. Hi, I'm Phil from Phil Review Software. I'd love you to review the channel and tell me what you think about my software reviews. Obviously, for the purpose of this demonstration, that's the text I did. And then we've got the video collector, and I've got 2 checkboxes there, which is please tick this box if you're happy to use this video on my social media channels and agree to the privacy terms and conditions. So let's see how easy it is for people to record a video. So they can either record it or upload it. Let's try. This might not work right now because I'm obviously using screen recording software, but let's see if it does work. Right, if I allow it to use the microphone, the trouble is I am using my camera somewhere else. Let's see if it works anyway. Right, so it does that, but let's jump back to that. There we go. It counts down. I like this. Look at the camera. Hi, I'm Phil from Phil Reviews Software. So I can't really review myself, but I would like to say that I do love reviewing software and hope you love it too, or even just like it. Or even if you dislike it, maybe you get some information out of my content. Hopefully you're all going to send lots of videos in like this. And then I click stop recording. Okay, that was the video I recorded. I couldn't really show you that process because I needed to use my camera to record the review, but it is really easy. You just click it and it gives you the option whether you want to upload a video, or if you click record, it uses your webcam and the audio. And here's what I recorded. I press play, look at the camera. Hi, I'm Phil from Phil Reviews Software. So I can't really review myself, but I would like to say that I do love reviewing software and hope you love it too, or even just like it. Right. So there's my video. All right, I did notice that there was a little bit at the start, but that doesn't really matter, I suppose. If you're sending the review into them, they'll do the editing. But if you didn't like it, you could press redo recording or just cancel it. But I'm going to say that it looks good. And then what does it do? Right, it stores it, it saves it, and I click submit, and it says thank you. Here's the emails they sent me. Here's one I did earlier, but this is the one that I've just done. So I click view submission, and it takes me to this page. Oh, it gives me, great. So it gives me a bit of a heads up on how to do it. Campaigns, tags, content type done. And there's my Phil reviews. And here is the video that I've received. Look at the camera. Hi, I'm Phil from Phil Reviews Software. So I can't really review myself, but I would like to say that I do love reviewing software. So obviously what I'm going to do now is put the link in the description of this video, and I'd like you guys be nice. Or if you're going to be negative, do it in a joking way. To record some reviews of Phil Reviews Software, and then we'll make another video to really test it. Fantastic. All right, let's jump out. So would I use VideoPeel? I'm going to use it. First thing I'm going to do is do it for my YouTube channel, and hopefully you're going to send the reviews in. But as I get my phils.deal site going and everything, yeah, let's use this and put some fun videos up. But on a serious note, if you have a business and if you use reviews, an actual video review compared to a couple of lines of text is like gold dust. So if it seems the system works, it's a really easy way for you to send an email through or give a link out to your clients, your customers, and they can record video reviews. Yes, the only negative thing is that people could send you a negative review. You don't have to use it, do you? Let's face it, let's be dead honest, you're not going to put a negative review on your website, but it might hurt your feelings. That's the only downside of it. But what a great way to collect video reviews from your clients. We know a lot of people won't want to do them, but it doesn't matter, does it? If 1 in 100 do them and you get a couple of good reviews, that is great for your site or for your social media. Right, so I do recommend it. Have you subscribed yet to the channel? Got lots of things coming up, including giveaways of software. Yes, lots of them. So do subscribe. You'll be the first to hear about the giveaways, and I will see you with another video and the follow-up to this one really soon.